everyone, welcome to Success in Social Studies. In this video, we will study about contours. What is a contour line and what are contour interval? How to find the slope of the land, how to find a valley, a conical hill and similar feature on a topographical map. Let us start. Contour lines are imaginary lines joining places which have the same height above mean sea level. The contour lines are marked as 100 meters, 200 meters and 300 meters. The difference between contour lines are called contour interval. Contour lines are important for analyzing slope of the land, identifying the physical features such as a hill, a ridge, a saddle or a peak. All these features we will be seeing in the video. These are the contour lines. These contour lines will help us to know the feature present there. Now let us draw a profile of these contour lines. To draw a cross section of contour lines, first we'll draw horizontal line and two vertical lines. Then we'll mark at a difference of 1 centimeter, we'll mark 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters and 500 meters. And now let's start marking. We will place the ruler vertically and then mark the first line, that is 100 meters. Then we mark 200 meters. Then 300 meters. This is 400 meter and 500 meter. Again it will be 500 meter, 400 meter, 300 meter, 200 and 100. And now let's draw the line. This will go a little higher. So this feature is a conical hill. In this way, we can draw a cross-section of a contour. This feature is an escarpment. An escarpment is an upland region having a slight flat top but steep slope on one side and gentle slope on the other side. We can see that the contour lines are very close to each other on one side, which shows that the slope is steep. And the contour lines are very far apart from each other, which shows that the slope is gentle. Next feature is a tableland. A tableland has a flat top and the sides are relatively steeper. Next feature is a saddle. A saddle is almost like a mountain. This feature is similar to a hill or I can say mountain, but is comparatively lower than a mountain. The narrow gap between two peaks is a saddle. So gap you can see over here in between these two circles. So this gap is shown here. This is a saddle. In hilly areas, another feature is seen, that is a pass. It is a lowland with narrow gap between two mountains on the either side. So these are the two mountains. You can see the height. The height is 2,500 meters. So these two are mountain and the gap between these two mountains is called a pass. Another way of knowing the relief of a land area is by drawing a profile or a cross section with the help of a long strip of paper. Let's do. Now let's draw the cross section of a contour map. A cross section shows the shape of a part of land in outline. For this, first we draw a baseline AB and vertical line perpendicular to the baseline. So this two perpendicular line to the baseline. At an equal distance of 0.5 centimeter, we mark the heights. Now we take a strip of paper and place it along the section of the contour map and mark the dots where the section line cuts the contour. Now we take this strip of paper, then we will plot the numbers according to the heights numbered in meters. And now we will draw a line along the points. So this is the feature which shows here it's a flat area and the neighboring areas have hills. So this is the way you can draw a cross section of contoured lines from a contour map. Do subscribe, share and like the channel to get more such videos. Thank you for watching.